I have to discuss the question paper. I'm just finding out the paper. Give me a minute. Okay. So good morning, everyone. I'll share the question paper. All of you yesterday checked your science marks. How much you got according to you?
Ma'am, did you send?
No, no.
Ma'am, I got half marks less.
Not your marking I'm asking. I have not started checking yet.
Ma'am,
So,
can you check my paper and tell my marks?
no,
I got 21
I will
without.
check the paper this weekend because I have to prepare Lincoln's question papers. So after that only I'll check your paper. So I'm asking how much you got according to your
Ma'am,
marking.
I got two mistakes and rest all I got correct.
Okay, only 2 marks deducted according to you. Okay,
Ma'am,
fine.
I got 1.5 mark mistake, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am, I got 23, so 2 mark, two questions were
marks
wrong.
mistake. Okay, and others also tell me.
Ma'am, I don't.
Ma'am,
I didn't calculate the marks, ma'am.
Ma'am, I also did not calculate.
You should
like-
always calculate your marks.
From ma'am, I
according to you, how much you are
calculated, but I
getting,
don't know
how
which is
much
correct
you
and
got.
which is wrong. So I gave 21.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. When I check it, then you tally your marks, how much you got according to you and how much actually you got by teacher's correction. Okay, that way you come to know and you have an idea of how the exam was. Okay, not this exam, any exam you can have that way. Okay, so take out your maths paper and start checking it. I'm going to share the question paper. Those who are taking more than 50 minutes is actually not the correct evaluation of your paper. Okay, the most correct way of submitting your paper is take 50 minutes time, and then that much time only you're going to submit the paper. When in your board exam, most probably it is not going to be online exam. Anytime any board exam is either cancel hoga, agar hoga to it will be offline only. Okay, so isliye you have to be ready for the exam, actual exam. Okay, these are what? These are practice papers. We are having these as a practice in proper amount of time. You have to finish the paper and submit it. But I see many of you submit late. Okay, let us start. Choose the correct answer.
Option D.
Option
D.
Okay, choose the correct standard form. You have to write the answer. So 1
Option
point,
D.
1, 2, 3, 4. So option D is the correct answer.
Ma'am, 2, ma'am, D1.
Coefficient of x.
Option D.
Ma'am, D. Option D.
X का
Option D.
coefficient है -9 y square z. So again option D. Identify the binomial out of the following.
Binomial.
Ma'am, D.
D. Option D.
Y square minus xy square is what? 2xy square.
2xy square.
2xy
Five.
squared plus 5y.
No, it is a binomial. Square of -2/3 is
Option D.
4 upon 9.
Option D.
4 upon 9.
again option D. Okay, this much. This question 5th. What is the value?
C.
C, ma'am.
C, ma'am. C.
2/3, 5/7 whole raised to 3. Yes. So option C, 5th part, option C is the correct answer. The value of this when x is equal to 1 is what?
A, ma'am. A.
1. A. Option A.
Option A.
1 plus 3. 3 minus 5 plus 3. 6 minus 5 is 1. So A is the correct option. Which power of 8 is equal to 2 raised to 6?
2, ma'am. 2, B.
Ma'am, B. B. Ma'am, option B. Option B.
Ma'am, option B. Ma'am, option B.
Actually,
64, ma'am. 64.
square, right? 3 2s are 6. 2 cube is 8. So 8 square. So option is B. Sum of this and this is.
Option A. Option
Option
A.
A.
Option A. Option A.
And polynomial in y.
Option A.
Cancel, ye cancel. 2 plus 2 is 4y square. What option you said?
Option A,
A,
ma'am.
ma'am. A.
Option A.
Monomial and polynomial in y.
Polynomial in y.
Number of terms. How many terms are there?
Ma'am,
Four.
four.
Ma'am.
Four.
4 terms.
option.
1, 2, 3.
3 on
Three. There are three, ma'am.
How?
Plus 5 is also a term.
All these are terms. Constant is also a term. What should be added to this to get this? What will we do?
We will do
minus
x plus
this from
y
this.
square minus x raised to 3 plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y raised to 3.
Ma'am, I got minus 3x square y minus.
Plus y cube.
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, I
So
got
the working
minus
you have to
3x.
show. You have to show the working. Y cube
Yes.
minus
I
x
showed,
cube
ma'am.
minus 3x square
Ma'am,
y
I also showed the working.
y square minus y cube. Okay. Plus y cube minus y cube gone plus x cube
Cancel.
x cube gone.
Minus x
Answer
cube
is
gone.
minus 3
Minus 3x
3
y
x.
minus 3xy square.
Okay. So this is the answer.
And how much marks it carries?
2 marks. Each question 2 marks.
Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am,
one-
the second one we had to prime factorize. So
Yes.
I got 3 into 7 raised to 3.
3 raised to 1 into 7 cube.
Ma'am, 1.029.
3 ones, 3 threes are 9,
And
and
four.
then yes, 7
147.
749s are
147.
749.
It's 28, 29, 30.
749s are 7 sevens are, and then 7 ones are. I got
So
3
what is
into
the
7
answer?
raised to 3.
Answer will be 7 cube into 3.
Yes.
Answer is 7 cube into 3. Now find the value
Ma'am,
of minus 4 raised to 4.
I got this one wrong.
Ma'am,
I
I got
wrote 256. Ma'am, I wrote
Ma'am, I got answer as 256.
Minus
256 plus.
256.
plus 256.
No, minus 4 raised to 4. Okay, plus में आंसर आ गया plus 256. But बाहर में भी तो minus sign है.
Ma'am, I by mistakenly did the minus plus.
Ma'am, first we will
You
do the
cannot do.
bracket now, ma'am. Ma'am, first we will do the bracket.
First
So
you will do
minus
the
minus-
bracket.
So minus plus हो जाएगा. Then plus 4.
नहीं. How? First you have to solve the bracket. Bracket is minus 4 raised to 4. इसकी वैल्यू आती है minus 4 into minus 4 into. I have told you even power में answer plus में आता है. So even power 4 is even. So 256 हुआ. But इसके बाहर भी minus है. So इसके बाहर एक minus लगेगा. Which is minus.
Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
got
wrote
this
the answer as
wrong.
256.
Ma'am, I did the same
Ma'am,
method.
I wrote.
I did minus plus, then I
No.
did 4 raised to 4.
256
Ma'am,
is
I
wrong.
also did minus plus.
Minus 256. Nobody got minus 256 in the
Ma'am, I
class.
got them. I got.
Okay, only
Ma'am, I
Anas
got
wrote minus 256. Who got? How
Ma'am,
many of
me,
you got?
Anas.
Ma'am,
Okay.
Yahya, ma'am.
Yahya and Anas. Okay, only 2 people. See, fundamentally you have to study. पहले bracket solve करते हैं. Bracket में भी power is negative का even power is positive. So, or even if you don't remember that, ऐसे तो multiply करके देख लो. Minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus. 4 into 4 into 4, सारा plus हो गया. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And
We
outside you
needed to apply BODMAS rule first. We had to solve the bracket.
always exponent पहले होता है. ठीक है. BODMAS में भी first you have to solve exponent. Find the perimeter of the figure given below.
Ma'am, answer is 14x plus 2y.
Yes, ma'am, I also got the same.
2 into 5x minus y plus 2 into x plus y.
Now
The
we are
formula is
10x,
2 in
12, 13, 14. 14x minus
14x
minus से ये
plus
चला
2y plus
Plus.
2y.
yes, this is the answer.
Ma'am, I was saying that the formula is 2 into length plus breadth.
That way also you can do, answer same ही आएगा.
Yes.
I also did with formula.
You'll get the
I
same.
also did with formula.
2 times q subtracted from cube of q. What answer you wrote?
Q raised to 3
Q mi-
minus 2q.
Q raised to 3
Yes, Q
minus
cube minus Q square.
2q.
Times q. 2 times q is 2q. Okay. Subtracted from cube of q. Q cube minus 2q is the answer.
Ma'am, I did not understand this question, so I got wrong, I guess.
You didn't do
The B1. The B1.
5. Anyone has done 5 minus
Ma'am, I
twice?
have done
Ma'am, I did, ma'am.
I've done 5
minus
minus 2x square.
5 minus
5
2x.
minus twice the square of the number. Same way, 2x square.
Ma'am,
So
I wrote x raised to 4 minus 5.
Ma'am, I wrote 2x square in bracket.
Ma'am, this carries
like
2
this.
marks.
Okay.
Yes.
This is
I
1,
don't
this
like
is 1. 1 marks each.
Ma'am, I thought in that we have to write our own number, so I took a number minus 2x and
No,
then
you don't have to write your own number. This we have done in class. Algebraic expression में लिखना है.
We have to take the common one x, right?
Okay. What answer? 3 by 7 into 3 by 7.
Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
got
3
3 by
raised-
7 raised to
3
3.
by 7 square.
3 by 7 raised to
3
2.
by 7 first of all raised to 4 plus 5.
4
And then
plus
minus
5
7.
divided by 3 by 7.
Divide is minus
3
ना?
by 7.
Divide में minus
Yes.
करते. 5
Divide
plus
में
4,
minus.
9. 9 minus 7 is 2. So 3 by 7.
3 raised to 7
Raised to 2.
raised
Ma'am,
to
but
2.
I did not put the bracket, so then will I get marks?
Yeah, this bracket.
Yes, in the answer.
You have to write the bracket. 3 by 7 ऐसे लिखोगे
I
इसका
wrote,
मतलब
ma'am.
हुआ only 3 square upon 7 means 9 by 7 हो गया. Okay, if you don't write bracket का मतलब होता है 3 and 7 both का square. If you don't write bracket, it is wrong.
Ma'am,
It
I have
means
written bracket. Ma'am, how many marks is one of the question?
Question में भी तो लिखा हुआ है ना bracket. It is 2 marks and 2 marks.
Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
wrote
we have
3 upon 7 into 3 upon 7.
Question में लिखा है exponential form. So you have to write square only. Okay. What is asked in the question? Please understand the question. and
Ma'am,
write
in the B1, I forgot to write the bracket in the answer.
7 by
I
11.
wrote 7 by 11 raised to 5.
Minus
To 3 into
bracket.
7 upon 11 raised to 5.
Okay. And then you have into 7 by 11 raised to 2. So what is
2.
5 minus 2? 5 minus 2 is
3.
what?
3 plus 2 is 5.
Then 3
7
plus
upon 11.
7
5
upon 11
raised to
raised to 5.
Okay, this is the answer. B part.
Ma'am, the second one answer is 60x raised to 3 plus 49x plus 15.
Trinomial.
I got the same
Trinomial
answer.
expression.
Trinomial.
Trinomial expression.
x cube और x cube है, ठीक है?
I got
Ma'am, 60x, ma'am, 60x 3.
60x raised to 3 plus
Okay,
49x.
60 plus 40, 90 हुआ, 91. 91
Yes.
minus
60x
41 is
60x. 60x
And 20.
raised to
60x raised to 3 plus
And ma'am,
49.
minus 50x.
plus
minus 50x.
49x.
minus
Plus
21
14.
minus 22 हुआ और यहाँ पे हो गया 71. 11 में से 2 9 10 11 8
9 4
6 में से 2 4 so plus 49.
49x plus 49x.
अभी क्या बचा 107 plus 1 108 108 minus 90.
Minus 93 plus 15.
10 में से
plus
15.
Trinomial expression it is.
हाँ,
It
so
is
it is
equal
a-
to trinomial expression.
Okay, this is the answer.
Ma'am, I got 59x, so then But I got a trinomial, but I got 69x. So then how much marks for that?
नहीं, what is the total answer you got?
I got 60x square plus 59x plus 15.
Oh,
Ma'am,
this
I
thing.
got 61x
Yes, I made them.
plus 50x plus 15.
Calculation mistake. You will, if you have written the like terms together, you will get 1 marks. इसके पहले वाला step अगर correct है, you are bringing the like terms together, then you will get 1 marks. Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, the paper was very easy except the last MCQ.
Who is getting full marks?
Not me. I got 2 wrong, I guess.
Nobody is getting full marks. All correct. No one got. Abdullah, how much you are getting?
Ma'am, I'm getting 1.5 to 2 marks. Ma'am.
2 marks mistake. Okay. Amina, how many mistakes you have done? How much marks will be deducted? Amina is not there. Yahya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yahya is looking sad. How many marks got deducted?
Ma'am, I didn't put the bracket in the last question.
Last question mein bracket is not required. Second last question mein.
Second last question and third last question.
Okay. Sufyan, so bracket mein to thode marks katenge, not full marks will be deducted, but 1 marks will be deducted. Anas, 4 wrong. Okay. Sufyan, how many wrongs? Where is Sufyan? Just now he was there. Acha, he's there.
2 or 3 marks deducted.
2 or 3 marks deducted. Why you should get? Everyone should get at least full marks or 1 marks deducted.
I did all silly mistakes, the mistakes that I did. I wrote the question down wrong. That's why I got the answer
Question wrong you wrote.
Yes.
That is very bad, huh?
Like in one of the questions, it was 5x square, and then it was 5xy square. So I wrote 5x square, 5x square. So
Ma'am,
that's
in
why.
the MCQ, I thought that 5 was
Always revise your paper while submitting. Okay. Take out some time for revision, and revision may not only the answer you have to revise the question, whether you have copied the question correctly or not. This is a very common mistake of copying down maths question wrongly. Okay, sometimes children miss questions also. Okay, इतनी जल्दी में होते हैं कि एक part छोड़ देते हैं. So these are very silly mistakes. You should not do these mistakes. Okay, maths में. So no problem. Let us see for the next exam now. Work for the next exam. Okay. Okay, Aisha Baghdadi lost 4 marks. Okay. Okay, let us see then. Munib, you didn't tell me how many marks mistake. Rashta 3 marks. Okay. So
I
most
got
of you
4.
are losing 3, 4, 2, 3, 4 marks. Okay. Anyone has just lost 1 marks? किसी ने भी एक ही mark का mistake किया? Anyone has done that? Okay, so I expect 23 highest. Okay, but before that I'll have to check the paper. Okay, so इसको close करते हैं, and now we'll start with, let me see what chapter I'm going to start. I'm going to share a textbook.
Ma'am, we completed the last chapter. Now we have to go up again.
We have completed
We
till
did symmetry and a visualizing solution.
we have not done. I'll start with only perimeter and area is there. Rational numbers is easy. Congruency we have done.
No, we have not done congruence of triangles.
So congruency.
We have done triangles wala chapter, only the triangles, Pythagoras.
So let us start with congruency of triangles and then comparing quantities. Or I'll start with comparing quantities and then congruency, because these two are important chapters. We have to do these two first. Okay. ये वाले सारे तो हमने कर लिए हैं, सिर्फ data handling रह गया है. Data handling, even if I leave, it is okay. वो simple chapter है. Next year we can do. bar graph and all. Okay, so 153, let me see. Because comparing numbers you will have ratio. So okay, comparing quantities will do. Comparing quantities means, as the name suggests, we compare two things. Like in this picture, you can see one person is taller, 150 centimeter, other person is 75. So Hina is taller than Amir. You can say that.
150 minus 75.
Correct. 150 minus 75 is the difference in their heights. Okay. But you can say that 75 ka 2 times is Hina's height, right? So you can say Hina is 2 times taller than Amir, or Amir is half the height of Hina. You can say that way, right? If you see the relationship between the heights, so this is called as
Comparing quantities.
yeah, comparing quantities. Just a minute, my charger will just a minute. Okay, so this is called as comparing quantities when we are comparing between two things. So this is called as half, means ratio, 2 times of Amir's height is Hina's height, or Hina's height is 2 times of Amir's height, or Amir's height is half of Hina's height. Anything you can say. Rita has 3/2 times the marble that Amit has. Amit has 2/3 part of what Rita has. Okay, so these are the fraction part. You have already done fractions. Okay, so something by something, denominator and numerator is there, and same thing comes in ratio also. Speed of a man is 1/6 of the speed of cheetah. Okay, you can see speed of cheetah is 120 kilometer per hour. Speed of man is 20 kilometer per hour. So if you divide 20 by 120, okay, how will we find out? How do we find out this ratio? We'll just divide speed of man, speed of cheetah. Okay. And if we have to find speed of man, the speed of man in the numerator. So if you divide speed of man means 20 kilometer per hour upon 120, unit should be same. You see 1/6 aya. So you can say speed of man is 1/6 the speed of cheetah. Okay. Speed of man is equal to 1/6. Ye denominator will go in the numerator, cross multiply 1/6 speed of cheetah. Okay, or speed of cheetah is 6 times, 6 will go over here, 6 times speed of man is equal to speed of cheetah. Okay, so here we write it in the ratio. Ratio means how many times of one quantity is the other quantity. So, and in the lowest form. So when we find the ratio of Hina's height to Amir's height, simply I'll divide. This is called as ratio ka sign. Okay. Have you done it in earlier classes? This is called as ratio.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So ratio may one height upon, means what is the ratio of Hina's height to 2 bolte hain isko, is 2. Okay, so Hina's height is to Amir's height is actually, Hina ka height ऊपर कितना लिखेंगे 150, और unit same होना चाहिए upon 75. Okay, so basically ratio can be written in the form of fraction. तो इसका lowest form करेंगे तो 2/1. So this is written as Hina's height is to Amir's height is equal to 2:1. 2/1 नहीं लिखेंगे. In the ratio form, it will be written as 2:1. Is it clear? Same way, if Hina's height was 150 centimeter, Amir's was 100. So then what is the ratio of Hina's height to Amir's height? Hina's height to Amir's
3
height.
raised to 3:1.
Right. Yeah, 3:1. You can say इसको पहले lowest form में हमेशा निकालना है. Okay, so you got
51s are, yes.
3:2. Okay, so you'll get 3:2. So here we are comparing two quantities. Whenever we are finding ratio, unit must be same, because ratio has no unit. It is written over here. Important line, ratio has no units. Okay, fraction or ratio में यही difference है. Fraction में unit is possible, but ratio has no unit. So numerator and denominator will have the same units, then only you will have a ratio. Okay, so ratio has no unit. Now find the ratio of 3 kilometer to 300 meter. Okay, you can see units are different. So convert kilometer
Ma'am.
into,
Okay.
how will you convert kilometer into meter? 1
3,000
kilometer.
meters, ma'am. 3,000 meters.
Correct. So it will be 3,000 meter upon 300 meter. Okay. Now you can see meter, unit same हो गया. 20 से 20 cancel and 3 tens are. So answer is 10:1. Required ratio is 10:1. Always whatever is written first will be in the numerator and next will be in the denominator. Remember that.
Ma'am, you changed kilometer into 3,000 meters.
Yes, because ratio should have same units.
Okay.
So that is
For
why you
finding ratio, the unit should be same.
correct. So that is why ratio will not have any units. Units get cancelled out upar niche. So that is why we say ratio has no units. So when to have no unit, you should have both the quantities should have same units. Then only ratio will have no unit.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, equivalent ratio. All of us know what is equivalent fraction. So equivalent ratio भी वही होता है अगर the value is same. Now are the ratio 1:2 and 2:3 equivalent?
No.
Okay, no, because 1/2 is not equal to 2/3. Right? Not equal है ना? So which one is smaller? Which one is greater? Which ratio is greater? Equal नहीं है
2
तो greater.
upon 3 is greater and 1 upon 2 is small.
Correct. So 1/2 is less than 2/3. So you can say that 1:2 is lesser than 2:3. And it is not equivalent. So equal ratios are called as equivalent ratio. जैसे equivalent fraction होता था, same way equivalent ratio होता है. Following
Can
is
you give
the,
an example?
here we are doing examples only. Following is the performance of a cricket team in the matches it played. In which year was the record better? Record better means how many wins is to loss का record ज़्यादा होगा. Okay.
Ma'am,
So
last year.
Ma'am, last year.
Last year.
So last year the ratio is
year.
win is to loss का ratio है 8/2, which is 4:1, right? Sorry, एक minute ये मेरा pen 4/2 लिखेंगे. So 8/4 लिखेंगे.
The second, this year is 2:1. 2 upon, अरे 2
2:1.
नहीं, हाँ 2:1.
Okay, तो ये वाला ratio है 4:1. Okay, and this year is 2:1. So which one is better record?
Last year.
Last
because
year.
it has more 4:1 is greater.
So last year has better record because 1 loss के लिए 4 win है और यहाँ पे 1 loss के लिए 2 win है. So last year has better record. Okay. So ratio से you can find out that also which one is better, which one is showing better record. Keeping things in proportion and getting solution. So Aruna made a sketch of building she lives in and drew sketch of her mother standing beside the building. Okay, ये वाला. Mona said this. There seems to be something wrong with the drawing. Can you say what is wrong? How can you say this? In this
Ma'am, her
case,
mother
the-
is. Acha.
yes. What is wrong? Her mother's height is
Her mother
the
height
height
is
of
half
building.
of the building.
The ratio, the
house
proportion
height
is
is
not
very
good.
small.
Ma'am, it is too much tall. Her mother's height is too much tall.
Mother's height is taller than the main door, and the ventilation
Yes.
and the window is so small. So all the proportion is wrong. This is called as proportion. Proportion means when two things should be in proper ratio with each other. So if you're drawing this
Yes.
size of door, your window will be sometimes means some amount of time smaller than the door, and your ventilation, or this is correct, ऊपर का window ऐसा हो सकता है. Okay. So smaller windows will be like this. The mother ka height should be smaller than the door ka height. Okay. So these things are, the proportion is wrong. You can say the proportion is wrong. So in this case, the ratio of heights in the drawing should be the same as the ratio of actual heights. So actual height जो होता है उसी के ratio में your, this means actual height of building upon actual height of mother should be having in the same proportion height of building in drawing upon height of mother in drawing. Okay. So this is called as
But
proportion.
ma'am, we cannot draw
Something is
actual
to
height of
something is
building
equal
in
to
drawing.
something is to something. Okay. So this is the form of when two ratios are equal, it is called as proportion. Okay. Understood? For example, then only this drawing will be correct. Okay. Means in this proportion only the height of the drawing should be there. इसके questions करेंगे, then you will understand it. Okay, see here. A map is given with a scale of 2 centimeter, 1000 kilometer. Okay, you know that when you see the map, actual map is actually measured to a scale, right? Understood or not? Because इतना छोटा सा इंडिया का मैप बनाया होता है, that is actually made to certain scale. India इतना छोटा तो
Yes.
होता है, but when you are putting
India
it
is
on,
not that small.
correct. So when you are putting on the map, you have this type of scale. For example, 2 centimeter को हमने 1000 kilometer draw किया है. Means 1000 kilometer is drawn as 2 centimeter. So in your paper, when you want to show 1000 kilometer, you are drawing it as 2 centimeter because you have to put it on paper. So this is proportionally you are making it smaller. What is the actual distance between the two places in kilometer if the distance in map is 2.5 centimeter? So on the map, if the distance is 2.5 centimeter, tell me what is the actual distance?
Ma'am, 1,500.
1,500 kilometers.
No, 2.5 in 1000.
2,000 kilometer, ma'am. 1,000 kilometer.
2,500 kilometers.
Yes,
See,
2,500.
2 centimeter is 1000 kilometer. So 2.5 centimeter, sorry, just a minute. I made mistake. See, 2 centimeter is actually equal to 1000 kilometer. So 1 centimeter will be equal to how much? 1000 by 2.
500.
Correct. 500
500.
kilometer. So 2.5 centimeter will be 2.5 into 500 kilometers, right? 1 centimeter is 500 kilometers. So 2.5 centimeter will be 2.5 into 5. What is that much? 25 5s are?
100.
Nahin, 25 fours are
2,500.
1 to 5.
Yeah, 125.
Correct. 1 decimal. So 1 decimal. So distance is 1250 kilometer. Is it clear? Understood how to calculate it?
No, ma'am, I did not understand.
See, it is shown on the scale that 2 centimeter is equal to 1000 kilometer. Then what is the actual distance in kilometers if on the map it is 2.5 centimeter? So first find out 1 centimeter का कितना distance है. 2 centimeter का 1000 है, तो 1 centimeter का 1000 by 2 500.
500.
तो 1
500.
centimeter का 500 है, तो what is 2.5 centimeter का? 2.5 into 500. So this much kilometers.
Ma'am, why are you multiplying 500 with 2.5 when
Because
it is
we
asked?
need, it is asked for 2.5 centimeter. तो 1 किलोमीटर का 1 सेंटीमीटर का मैप के ऊपर 500 kilometers है distance. So how much is for 2.5 centimeter? 500 plus 500 plus 500 plus 500, okay, and plus 500 ka half. So instead of doing that thing, we just multiply 2.5 into 500.
Okay, ma'am.
है कि नहीं? तो हमेशा 1 का निकालते हैं. Okay, let us do ये first question कर लेते हैं क्लास में. Do it in your notebook, everyone. Find the ratio of ₹5 is to 50 paisa. What is the first thing that we are going to do? Check the units. Are the units same?
Ma'am,
No.
we will ₹5 we will turn into paise.
How much paise will be there? ₹5 में कितने पैसे?
Ma'am, 1 paisa is equal to 50. 1 rupees is equal to 50 paisa.
कौन सा हिसाब आया इब्राहिम? 1
No,
rupee.
ma'am.
1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa.
1 rupee is
Yes.
equal to
paisa.
1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. Sorry.
So ₹5 is equal to 500 paisa
yes.
500 paisa. Yes.
upon 50 paisa. Now the units are same. You can do this. 500 upon 50. दोनों पैसा पैसा हो गए तो cancel.
10.
Okay. So
10
answer
upon
is
1.
10:1.
Yes.
Write down this in your notebook. Convert ₹5 into paisa. So you will write it here. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. Okay. So 5 rupees is equal to 5 into 100 paisa, which is 500 paisa. Okay. So therefore 500 paisa is to 50 paisa is equal to 10:1.
And what you wrote in the bracket?
1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa.
Ma'am, we got 500 paisa, so we will divide it by 50 now.
हाँ, because is to है ना 5 to 50 है.
Yes. 10 0 0 cut 5 in that.
Yeah. So can I erase now?
Yes.
Next question. Now you do next
We
question.
always have to write in ratio form, not in.
Yes, because we have asked ratio, so answer should be in the ratio,
Ma'am,
not
it is
in the
10 is to, it is 10 is to 1, na?
हाँ 10:1. Answer is 10:1. Now what answer? Tell me. 15 kg को convert it into grams.
And 1 kg is equal to
1000 gram.
Correct. So 15 kg में कितने grams हो गए? 15,000 grams upon 210 grams. Gram cancel. 0 0 cancel. Then you will divide it by 3. 3 sevens are 3 5s are 0 0. So it is 500. अभी lowest form और नहीं हो सकता है. So 500 is to 7. Okay.
Ma'am, is it possible 21 divided by 50,000?
No, because they have asked पहले 15 and then. So पहले वाला should be written in the numerator. Okay, something is to something. You cannot reverse it. Then
Ma'am,
answer
but how
will be
did it turn into 500 divided by 7?
lowest form निकालो. Do the lowest form. 15,000 divided by
Ma'am,
210.
210 0 0 cut हो जाएगा and then
हाँ.
1500. Go with 3 na, ma'am.
3 say 3 sevens are and 3 5s are 15 and 2 zeros.
Ma'am is equal to 500 500:7.
Correct. 500:7. Next one. This answer you give.
Ma'am, 1
Okay.
meter is 100 na ma'am.
Hmm?
1 meter is 100.
1 meter is 100 centimeter, you will say.
Ma'am, 1000:3.
1000:3 you are getting. Others?
No, sorry, 100:3.
Ma'am, 1:3, 100:3 is the answer. Because
900
we will divide
27, okay?
we will do 3 9s are 27 and
900
3
Ma'am, 100:9, ma'am, 100:9.
100:3. We will divide further, na.
See, 1 meter
Three
में 100
threes and
centimeter, okay? 1 meter में 100 centimeter. So,
Ma'am, can you give how to convert, like how much meter is equal to how many
I
centimeters?
gave you once now.
Ma'am,
I
but
gave
how,
you
ma'am? How,
I'll
ma'am?
show
See,
you.
900
can
upon
divide by
27. 3
Nine,
9s are 27 and
100
3 and 300.
Wait. Conversion I am giving you over here, ठीक है? यहाँ पे ऐसा मिली सेंटी डेसी मीटर डेका हेक्टो kilo.
Ma'am, what is deca and what is centi?
These are all decameter, all are measurement units, okay? तो ये मीटर का हो गया. Same way, मिली, सेंटी, डेसी, ग्राम, डेका, same relationship है. हेक्टो, kilogram, okay? Same way, milliliter, centiliter, deciliter, liter, decaliter, hectoliter, and kiloliters, okay? So सिर्फ ये पता रहेगा किलो लिख रही हूँ, ठीक है? So if you see, each will have 10 का difference. Milli is the smallest and this is the largest. Kilo is the largest, okay? And between each you have 10 का gap. तो जैसे suppose it is asked 1 meter में कितने millimeters? So you will just see 10 into 10 into 10 because ये बड़ा है. तो 1 meter में you will have 1000 millimeters, okay? If it is asked 1 millimeter में कितने meters? So 1 upon 1000. Divide हो जाता है. 1000 comes in the denominator, okay? If it is asked 1 kilometer में कितने decameter? So 10 और 10 का gap है. तो
100.
100, yes.
10
100.
into 10, 100. Yes.
Correct.
So
Now
we have to draw this chart.
नहीं, once you have a practice, you will remember it. दिमाग में छाप लो. Okay? और जब तक नहीं याद होता है तो draw somewhere and then find out. Okay? दूसरा है, and if you see, this is very means rhythmic है. मिली सेंटी डेसीमीटर डेका हेक्टो किलोमीटर. रट्टा मार लो. मिली सेंटी डेसीमीटर डेका हेक्टो किलोमीटर. सेम सीक्वेंस में ग्राम और लीटर्स होते हैं. नाउ 1 मीटर में पूछा था कितने सेंटीमीटर होते हैं, तो कितने हुए? 10 into 10, 100. Okay, so when we go this side, we are going towards smaller. When we go this side, we are going towards a bigger measurement quantity. Okay, so ये याद कर लो. And दूसरा measurement है 1 rupees में 100 पैसा. 1 day में 24 hours. 1 hour में 60 minutes. 1 minute में 60 seconds. So these type of questions might also be asked. ये भी unit conversion के ही है. Okay, these things you know ना?
One second is 100 milliseconds.
हाँ? नहीं? 1 second is
Yes.
100. 1 second is how? 100 millisecond. कैसे होगा? 100
1
into
second
10
is
raised to
60
minus
millisecond.
1000 मिलीसेकंड जब बोलोगे तब होगा ये. मिली का मतलब होता है 10 raised to minus 3. Okay, so it is wrong. 1000 millisecond होगा. That is not required.
Ma'am, milli means milliliter and centi means centimeter. And
Yes,
what
if you are
is
doing
deci?
liter, if you are doing liter ka conversion, if you are doing grams ka to milligrams. Okay, if you are doing meter
Okay.
ka to millimeter ho jayega. So that is why I have not added the suffix over here. Okay, can I stop sharing? एक last question I have left. Do this as homework. 30 days
Okay,
to
ma'am.
36 hours. This is your homework.
Done, ma'am, later.
Okay, so that will be all in today's class. See you next week. Bye, everyone.